Assalamu alaikum. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to record the first 6 verses and just show you what you need to watch out for as you recite, okay? So, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. That's not written, but the next bit is بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So watch out for the has if I've told you that before. Yasin. So you hold on that because it's pink. It's a pinky color and that is a mad. And you hold it. This one specifically, 6 vowel counts. وَالْقُرْآنِ الْحَكِيمِ. Reminder that anything that's dark blue means it's a strong sounding letter. إِنَّكَ لَمِنَ الْمُرْسَلِينَ. The green, remember, is غُنَّة. إِنَّكَ عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ. So the ayn, watch out for it. And then you've got the صاد, را, طاء, all 3 strong letters. And then غُنَّة. صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ. Then غُنَّة. تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. There's a ha there. لتنذر قوما. غنة again. ما مد. غنة. ذر آباء.